Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best car stereos available today. Whether you're a music enthusiast or a daily commuter, choosing the right stereo system can transform your driving experience. In this video, we explore top brands, cutting-edge technology, and important features to consider when upgrading your car audio. Join us as we review performance, sound quality, connectivity, and installation ease. Get ready to revolutionize your ride with outstanding sound clarity and unbeatable value. Explore the ultimate transformation. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Boss Audio System's 616 UAB Car Stereo. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, the Boss Audio System 616 UAB Car Stereo is designed to meet your needs. This car stereo offers multiple connectivity options, including auxiliary, Bluetooth, and USB, ensuring that you can easily connect your smartphone or MP3 player for seamless audio playback on the go. When you install this stereo, you'll appreciate the intuitive push-button controller that simplifies navigation through your audio selections. Whether you prefer to stream media via Bluetooth or play your favorite songs stored on a USB device, you have control at your fingertips. Additionally, the auxiliary input, featuring a 3.5mm jack, allows you to hook up various audio devices without hassle. Your listening experience is further enhanced with both front and rear preamp outputs that let you connect additional speakers if you desire more powerful sound. The package includes everything you need for a smooth installation: the stereo unit itself, installation brackets, a power harness, and a speaker harness. This setup not only elevates your in-car audio performance, but also ensures a straightforward installation process, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's sound system. With the Boss Audio System 616 UAB, you can enjoy high-quality sound along with the convenience of versatile connectivity options tailored to your lifestyle. At number 4, Ellea Single Din Car Stereo. If you're seeking a seamless, integrated driving experience, the Ellea Single Din Car Stereo offers you advanced connectivity and smart functionality. This car stereo connects easily via Bluetooth and USB, giving you access to your smartphone's contacts, emails, notifications, navigation, and more through its compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can enjoy hands-free calling and voice commands using built-in assistants like Google Assistant and Siri, ensuring that your focus remains on the road. You benefit from added safety and convenience when you integrate a reverse camera with this unit. Once you shift into reverse, the touchscreen automatically displays the camera feed, while its 170-degree horizontal wide-angle lens offers a comprehensive, distortion-free view for confident parking every time. Additionally, the mirror link function allows you to project your iPhone or Android device's screen onto the display, giving you the versatility to play media, use navigation apps, or enjoy your favorite content during the ride. Whether you're looking to enhance sound performance by pairing with external amplifiers or enjoy effortless control through hand, remote, and voice inputs, this car stereo is designed to meet your modern connectivity and entertainment needs. It offers you an efficient way to keep your in-car experience safe, seamless, and entertaining, all through a compact and user-friendly system that integrates into your vehicle effortlessly. Number 3, we have the Kenwood KDC-BT370U CD Car Stereo. If you're seeking a car stereo that guarantees superior sound quality and versatile connectivity, the Kenwood CD Car Stereo is your reliable choice. You can easily connect your smartphone or speaker using Bluetooth, an auxiliary port, or USB, ensuring that you stay connected no matter how you choose to listen. Designed with an emphasis on functionality, this system features a 3.5mm jack along with USB connectivity to cater to your various audio playback needs. The Kenwood Car Stereo's control interface integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Android, giving you the convenience of voice command features and intuitive handling. With a built-in equalizer, Pandora, and Spotify compatibility, you can tailor your listening experience to suit your taste, ensuring that every drive is accompanied by your favorite tunes in crisp, immersive stereo sound. The 4-channel surround sound configuration expands the audio landscape, allowing you to feel every beat and note with remarkable clarity. Emphasizing both form and function, this car stereo is designed to fit smoothly into your vehicle's interior while delivering a rich auditory experience. Whether you're commuting in the city or enjoying a long road trip, the Kenwood KD Car Stereo assists you in staying connected and entertained, making every ride more enjoyable and personal. This system is built to support your dynamic lifestyle, where quality audio and seamless connectivity come together to create the ideal driving soundtrack. At number 2, Pioneer MVH-S322BT Bluetooth Car Stereo. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience with advanced technology, the Pioneer Bluetooth Car Stereo presents an ideal solution. You can enjoy built-in Bluetooth connectivity that lets you make and receive hands-free calls safely and efficiently, ensuring that your attention remains on the road. With seamless wireless smartphone integration, you benefit from clear, uninterrupted conversations that enhance your journey without compromising safety. You have the flexibility to access your music library through the USB port and auxiliary input, meaning your favorite tunes are always within reach. This feature guarantees crisp, high-quality audio that transforms every drive into an enjoyable experience. Additionally, the Pioneer SmartSync app connects effortlessly with your iOS or Android device, offering you advanced features designed to streamline music management, calls, and settings directly from your smartphone. The stereo's mechanical knobs and push-button controls simplify operation, providing you with a user-friendly design that prioritizes both functionality and convenience. By choosing this Pioneer model, you invest in a car audio system that marries superior sound quality with smart connectivity. It not only ensures reliable performance, but also enriches your driving moments through a perfect balance of control, safety, and entertainment. Whether your commute is long or short, this innovative car stereo is designed to keep you connected and in control. Enhance your trips with the confidence that your vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art audio technology tailored to modern driving needs. And finally, the number 1 of our list, JVC KD-SR87BT Bluetooth CD Car Stereo. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, consider the JVC Bluetooth CD Car Stereo, a perfect blend of modern connectivity and high-quality sound. Designed for those who demand convenience and performance, this car stereo easily pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to stream audio and make hands-free calls. With the built-in microphone, you can handle calls smoothly, control 2 phones at once, and even enjoy voice recognition dialing. You also gain effortless control over your favorite apps like Pandora and Spotify through a simple interface on your Android device. The stereo offers multiple ways to connect, including a front USB and an auxiliary input, ensuring your devices are always ready to deliver music rich in digital precision. Additionally, the 13-band equalizer, accompanied by digital time alignment, delivers a customizable sound experience that brings out the best of your musical collection. Enhanced by K2 technology, this unit boosts the digital sound quality no matter which music source you choose. You'll also appreciate the convenience of 2-channel preamp outputs that allow for seamless integration with your car's audio system. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions, the JVC Car Stereo fits effortlessly into your car's dashboard while transforming your drive into a high-powered audio experience. Whether you're commuting, heading out for a road trip, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes, this stereo is designed to elevate every moment on the road. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which car stereo you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.